Well, today we are going to put in the distributor and the coil pack. This is episode 6 of the ACES EFI installation. So stay tuned, see what you think, and hopefully this wraps it up. Okay, so we got the distributor in, put the new plugs and wires in. I didn't have a coil wire because it's for HEI, the kit was. So I used the old spark plug wire, made a coil wire. What we did was we locked out the distributor, we set it to where the engine was at 15 degrees before top dead center, had the rotor button pointing at cylinder number 1, tightened down the distributor but left it a little loose where I could adjust it. Fired up the motor, went in there and locked the distributor out on 15 degrees, came out here with my timing light, advanced it 15 degrees, looked down there, adjusted the distributor until it was on 0 degrees with my advanced timing light, shut it off, locked down the distributor, fired it back up and unlocked the Killshot system. So now it's controlling timing. And then after I did all that, I had to do my final idle air control adjustment since we're controlling timing now. I've got that dialed in now. The book calls for 6 to 21 idle air steps at engine temperature. Right now we're doing 18. We're up to temperature. We're at 0% on the throttle position. I had to calibrate that twice. We're in closed loop learning. Right now it's controlling our timing and our air fuel ratio. We got it set for 850 RPM. Battery's doing its thing. Everything's looking pretty good. So yeah, so I think we're good to go. Let's see how it starts back up. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm about to get in here and turn it off. Okay, so it's off right now. Now we're gonna turn it on. You'll hear the fuel pump. That's the fuel pump. Fired it right up. There you see our timing right there. It's doing its thing. Give it a little gas. You see my timing jump up? Right here it is, watch it. Dropping down for. Let's see what we can do changing that thing. Spark basic. Alright. Wide open throttle. Ignition timing 32. Static timing. Timing offset. Ignition advance. Minimal. Maximum. Let's go efficient. Still on advance. See what we got. Anyway, I think we're good. Yeah. So I'll get the laptop out, software, and watch some videos from ACES on how to set up timing curves and all that. We'll put some timing curves on it. I think it turned out pretty good. Plugs and wires, new insulated boot covers, ACES EFI, the full pack, distributor, relays. I think it turned out pretty dang good. Looks good to me. Well, there you have it. Till next time, y'all have a good one.